The universe is vast, bigger than we can imagine, trillions of stars, each with planets orbiting them. Could we be the only living things in all that space?
It's a question that has haunted humanity for centuries. Are we alone, or is there someone else out there, someone looking up at their own night sky, wondering the same thing?
The search for extraterrestrial life is a search for ourselves, for our place in the cosmic order, and for the possibility that we are not alone.
The universe is full of wonders. Let's explore them together.
Life, as we know it, needs a few basic ingredients. Water, for one, a source of energy like sunlight, and the right chemical elements like carbon and oxygen.
These ingredients are found throughout the universe. In the clouds of gas and dust where stars are born, on the surfaces of distant planets, even in the hearts of asteroids.
If life could arise here on Earth, why not elsewhere?
The universe is a vast cosmic laboratory with billions of years for experiments to unfold. The possibilities are staggering. We haven't even explored all of our own solar system yet. There are countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered, hidden in the vast expanse of space that surrounds us. And already we've found hints of places where life might exist. These discoveries challenge our understanding of life and its potential to thrive in environments vastly different from our own.
Take Europa, for example. This intriguing moon orbits the giant planet Jupiter and has captured the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. A moon of Jupiter, with a hidden ocean of liquid water beneath its icy shell. This ocean, kept warm by tidal forces, could be a cradle for life. Could there be creatures swimming in that alien sea? Imagine the possibilities of what forms life could take in such an environment, where sunlight never reaches.
Or Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Titan is a world shrouded in mystery, with landscapes that seem both familiar and alien. With its thick atmosphere and methane lakes, it's like a primordial Earth frozen in time. The conditions on Titan are harsh, yet they offer a glimpse into what early Earth might have been like. Could life have taken a different path there? In the methane-rich environment, life forms could be based on entirely different biochemistry than what we know.
These are just two examples of the strange and wonderful worlds in our cosmic backyard. Each moon, planet, and asteroid holds the potential for discovery. Worlds that might harbor life as we've never imagined it. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding aliens. It's about understanding the diversity of life itself and our place in the universe.
Imagine a planet locked in a tight orbit around its star. This world is unlike anything we've ever seen in our solar system. One side always facing the searing heat, where temperatures soar to unimaginable levels, while the other side is plunged in eternal darkness, frozen in a perpetual night. Could life exist in such an extreme environment? The conditions are harsh, but life has a way of surprising us.
Perhaps in the twilight zone between these extremes, where temperatures are more moderate, life could find a way to survive. This narrow band could be a haven for unique forms of life. Or consider a planet with no solid surface at all. Imagine a world where the ground is a swirling mass of gases, a gas giant with swirling storms and a crushing atmosphere, where the pressure is so intense it would crush any earthly life form.
Could life take flight in such a chaotic world? Perhaps creatures with wings adapted to navigate the turbulent skies. The universe is full of surprises. Every new discovery challenges our understanding of what is possible. And life, as we're beginning to understand, is incredibly adaptable. It can thrive in the most unexpected places.
It might find a way to thrive in places we never thought possible. From the icy moons of our own solar system to the distant exoplanets orbiting other stars, the potential for life is vast and varied. The search for extraterrestrial life is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless.
When we think of intelligent aliens, we often picture beings like ourselves. We imagine creatures with 2 arms, 2 legs, and a head, much like humans. These beings might have advanced technology, complex societies, and a way of life that mirrors our own in many ways. But intelligence can take many forms. It doesn't have to look like us or think like us. In fact, it might be something we can barely recognize as intelligence at all.
Imagine a planet where the dominant life form is a colony of insects. These insects might not have individual consciousness as we understand it, but together they form a superorganism, millions of individual creatures working together as one. Each insect plays a specific role, contributing to the survival and success of the colony. Their collective behavior is a form of intelligence that allows them to adapt, survive, and thrive in their environment.
A collective intelligence capable of solving complex problems and adapting to changing environments. This hive mind can make decisions, solve puzzles, and even create structures that are incredibly complex and efficient.
Or a planet where the oceans are teeming with bioluminescent jellyfish. These creatures might communicate through light, sending signals across vast distances in the dark depths of the ocean. Each jellyfish a single neuron connected to a vast neural network that spans the globe. This network could process information, react to changes in the environment, and even exhibit behaviors that we would recognize as intelligent.
A planetary brain capable of thought and feeling on a scale we can barely comprehend. This form of intelligence might be so different from our own that we struggle to even recognize it as such.
Intelligence is not limited to creatures with large brains and opposable thumbs. It can emerge in any system that is complex enough to process information and respond to its environment. It's a property of complex systems, whether those systems are biological or technological. From the smallest microbe to the largest galaxy, intelligence can take many forms, each unique and fascinating in its own way.
Advanced alien civilizations might harness energy sources far beyond our current capabilities. Imagine a civilization that has mastered fusion power, the same energy source that powers the stars. They could reshape their planets, construct Dyson spheres to capture the energy of their stars, or even travel between galaxies. Perhaps they've moved beyond physical limitations, existing as pure energy or information. They might be so advanced that we wouldn't even recognize them as life forms. Their technology could be indistinguishable from magic to our eyes.
The universe is billions of years old. That's plenty of time for civilizations to rise and fall, to evolve and transform in ways we can't even imagine. There might be alien civilizations out there that make our technology look like stone tools. Their understanding of the universe might be so far advanced that we wouldn't even recognize it as science. It's humbling, isn't it, to think that there might be things out there that are beyond our comprehension. But it's also incredibly exciting.
The search for extraterrestrial life is a search for the unknown. It's a journey into the greatest mysteries of the cosmos, and it's a journey that we're just beginning to undertake. We may never find definitive proof of alien civilizations, but the very act of searching expands our horizons, challenges our assumptions, and reminds us of the vastness and wonder of the universe we inhabit. The universe is full of possibilities, and somewhere out there among the stars, there might be other beings looking up at the night sky, wondering if they're alone.
So, what's next in our search for alien life? We continue to explore. We send probes to other planets. We build bigger and more powerful telescopes. And we listen, with open minds and a sense of awe, for any sign that we are not alone. The universe is a vast and mysterious place. But with every new discovery, we take one step closer to answering the age-old question. Are we alone? Or are we part of something much, much bigger than ourselves?